is again write this in bar syntax, or this is the based on what the classification of the polymers, classification of polymers based on source, based on source. So next classification, that is second one, based on this is the structure, based on what structure, based on structure, मतलब structure के according, source के according. See on this next classification, the based on this sort of source, based on the structure and based on molecular forces. As you can say, based on molecular forces, molecular force, मतलब force कैसा होता है उसमें, which types of the force is presents. Then this is the day, this based on, this is what, next one is the polymers, based on polymer, based on what, polymers. So that is the classification of this polymer. But the first, this is the based on the sources, which types of the sources. This is the natural polymer, and this is the synthetic polymer. As you can say, natural polymer and synthetic polymer. As you can say, this is natural polymer, synthetic polymer, as well as semi-synthetic polymer. So this is the based on the structure, the linear structure, linear polymer, branch polymer. As you can say, linear polymer, branch polymer, and what a network type polymer. So this is the next, based on this is the molecular forces. The molecular forces is present, this is nothing but what, elastomer. As you can say, elastomer. So this is nothing but what, elastic nature. So that is the strength, stretching and bending is there. So this is what elastomer. First classification, elastomer. This one is elastomer. Next one, this is nothing but what, fiber. Next one is what, fiber, types of the polymers, fibers. Next, this is elastomer, fiber. Again, what, the thermosetting and thermoplastic. This thermosetting and thermoplastic. As you can say, thermosetting and what, thermoplastic. This is the harder and tough polymer. Thermosetting and thermoplastic. Thermosetting polymer and thermoplastic polymer. So this is the next, this is polymerization. On the basis of the polymerization, this is the main two classes, is the addition polymerization. Here, addition polymerization and what, condensation polymerization. Addition polymerization. So you can say addition polymerization, and this one is what, condensation polymerization. So this is the polymer types, addition polymer and condensation polymer. Here we are discussing, this is a part of, this is the classification of polymer. Polymer के यहाँ पे 4 क्लास होते हैं. पहला है आपका सोर्स, based upon the sources, based upon the structure, based upon the molecular forces, and based upon the, this is the polymer. So here is addition polymerization, condensation polymerization. Molecular force की हम बात करेंगे तो यहाँ पे elastomer आता है, उसके बाद fiber, thermoplastic and thermosetting. This is the types, this is the tough and this harder nature. So this is the based on the structure, as you can say, this linear polymer and the branch, linear branch and network type polymers. स्ट्रक्चर के अकॉर्डिंग इसका क्लासिफिकेशन किया गया है. उसके बाद में सोर्स, मतलब कैसा सोर्स है, नेचुरल सोर्स है, सिंथेटिक सोर्स है. दिस इज आर्टिफिशियल एंड दिस इज द नेचुरल आर्टिफिशियल. इन जनरल 2 classes here, two types of this is the based on the source, natural and the synthetic polymerization. Here we can say this is the semi-synthetic polymer. So as a part of this polymerization, we are seeing this part of, this is the as step by step first for classification. This is what which types of the polymer we are discussing part of this what addition polymerization. Award. Again the next polymerization is nothing but condensation polymerization. अब यहाँ पे हमको क्लासिफिकेशन के अकॉर्डिंग हमको यहाँ पे स्टेप बाय स्टेप इसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द फर्स्ट वन इज एडिशन पॉलीमराइजेशन. यहाँ पे अपन बेस्ड ऑन पॉलीमराइजेशन की बात करेंगे. बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट, पॉलीमराइजेशन. द फर्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ दिस पॉलीमराइजेशन, दिस इज नथिंग बट बेस्ड ऑन द पॉलीमराइजेशन. फर्स्ट बेस्ड ऑन so as you can say this is the based on this polymerization based on polymerization. इसमें हम बात करेंगे the first is the addition polymerization. यहाँ पे एडिशन पॉलीमराइजेशन की बात करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज द एडिशन पॉलीमराइजेशन? फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट एडिशन पॉलीमराइजेशन. So addition polymerization is nothing but what? So So that is what a structural units, smaller repeating units, you can say, as which is combined to each other and joining to each other, the formation monomer, and monomer are combined to each other, this monomer and monomer. Suppose that we are having this is the part of this ethene molecule. तो यहाँ पे हम इसके एग्जाम्पल के बारे में बात करेंगे एडिशन पॉलीमराइजेशन की। तो हमारे पास इथीन मॉलिक्यूल है, so that is what ethene CH2CH2. As you can say, CH2CH2 are combines which are having this is the polymerization height. पॉलीमराइजेशन, हम इसका पॉलीमराइजेशन करेंगे, सो दैट इज पॉलीमराइजेशन। इसका हम कभी पॉलीमराइजेशन करते हैं इथीन मॉलिक्यूल का। सो दिस इज स्टार्टिंग रिएक्टर मॉलिक्यूल जो इथीन, इट इज अंडरगोज इज पॉलीमराइजेशन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हियर, दिस इज द एन टाइप्स, अगेन गोइंग टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2, एंड दिस इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एन टाइप्स ऑफ द पॉलीमर, हियर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2, and here is what n types of the polymer. This is nothing but for formation, the name of the compound is nothing but what polythene. So here formation of the polythene or polythene bags, here ethene to polythene. So this is one of the part of this addition polymerization. As you can say, this another types of this addition polymerization. So both the basic in general. As you can say, CH2 single bond CH2, you can say double bond, and Cl is here. So these types of the this monomer is combined again. These types of the monomer. Okay, na? These types of the monomer is combined to the these types of the monomer, and then formation of these types of the compound is nothing but what CH सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2, यहाँ पे आएगा आपका Cl, दिस इज नथिंग बट CH, यहाँ पे आएगा Cl. दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द पॉलीमर इज नथिंग बट एडिशन पॉलीमराइजेशन. मतलब विनिल क्लोराइड इज कंबाइंड टू ईच अदर, दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स इज नथिंग बट नंबर ऑफ मोनोमर्स आर कंबाइंड टू ईच अदर एंड पॉलीमराइजेशन हाई हीट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द पॉलीविनिल क्लोराइड. सो यार फर्स्ट एग्जांपल हमने लिया यहाँ पे इथीन का पॉलीमराइजेशन किया. इथीन का पॉलीमराइजेशन करने के बाद यहाँ पे हमको फॉर्मेशन हुआ पॉलीथीन बैग्स टाइप्स ऑफ द मटेरियल्स. ओके, सेकंड थिंग इज वी आर हैविंग दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द रिएक्टर मॉलिक्यूल CH2 double bond CH2 double bond CH2, and we can take this is what is nothing but types of the reactor molecule Cl is well. Okay, this is n number of molecules here, n types, and this one is also n types. What happened, the first step, this polymerization is takes place. What happened, there is formation of what n number, here n number of this CH2CH, again here formation of Cl, and this is nothing but n types. You can say this is that. So the formation of the adduct molecules, formation of adduct, again this is going to the formation of the next step is formation of CH, here is nothing but Cl, again CH, again this is nothing but a CH2, and this is nothing but a Cl. These types of the reactor molecule formation of the product molecule from this is the vinyl chloride. This is what a vinyl chloride. So starting reactor molecule is vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride से हमने formation किया what this is the polyvinyl chloride. I can say PVC pipe. हम बोलते हैं PVC pipe. This formation of this is the polyvinyl chloride. This is formation of polyvinyl chloride as a polymer types of the product from this is the vinyl chloride. So these types, again these two example is also what a part of or the types of the addition polymerization. Addition of polymerization. So next we are discussing the part of this next example of this addition polymerization. The starting reactor molecule what यहाँ पे हमने कौन सा रिएक्टर मॉलिक्यूल लिया, इथीन. इथीन से कौन सा फॉर्मेशन किया, पॉलीथीन फॉर्मेशन किया. इथीन से पॉलीथीन, विनिल क्लोराइड से पॉलीविनिल क्लोराइड, विनिल क्लोराइड से पॉलीविनिल क्लोराइड. सो हियर वी आर डिस्कसिंग द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस एडिशन पॉलीमराइजेशन. थर्ड वन एग्जांपल, यहाँ पे हम थर्ड एग्जांपल की बात करेंगे. सो दैट इज व्हाट n types, we can take this n types of the CH2 single bond CH, sorry double bond here, again here so can take this is the cyanide is here. This types of the reactor molecule here or vinyl, you can say vinyl what, vinyl cyanide. So these types of the vinyl cyanide are can say acrylonitrile is the acrylonitrile, you can say this is the polymerization. अब हम इसका polymerization करेंगे. So the polymerization of vinyl cyanide, polymerization of vinyl cyanide, it goes to the formation of the types of the product molecule in the bottom CH2 single bond CH2, यहाँ पे आएगा Cl. This is formation of, again this polymerization is undergo then formation of what, this CH2 single bond CH, यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा Cl. This is nothing but what, as you can say CH2, again here CH, and this one is the cyanide atom is here. This is nothing but formation of the polycis. This is the vinyl cyanide, say polyvinyl cyanide, polyvinyl cyanide. So this is the part of the formation of the product is nothing but what, ORLON. This is the Orlon. Formation of the Orlon polymer starting reactor molecule from the vinyl cyanide. So as we are saying, this is the polymerization of this vinyl cyanide. The vinyl cyanide is undergo then formation of the adduct molecule here. Again the process is continuously takes place and the formation of the what, polyvinyl cyanide. These types of the product molecule is also known as the polyvinyl cyanide, is also known as what, Orlon. उसको हम Orlon कहते हैं. So this next again what, in continuation of the part of this is the next example of the addition polymerization. अभी यहाँ पे addition polymerization के हम next example की बात करेंगे. Example number 4. We are having this is the third example, second one. So what is the Fourth example of this is if we are having this is the types of the reactant molecule. This again order CH2 double bond CH2. The CH2 double bond CH2 again you can take this the types of the reactant molecule is a pH. This is nothing but a poly. So this is the thing about a styrene reactant molecule. As you can say, इसको हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. The starting molecule is nothing but a benzene molecule. We are going to the formation of this, but we can take this is the n number of molecule. This is nothing but the styrene. So as we are discussing the n number of the styrene reactant molecule is a polymerization. अब इस styrene reactant molecule का हम polymerization करेंगे, मतलब ये addition को या आप इसको addition क्यों कहा? This n number, कैसे addition of this n number, then what again polymerization. हम इसका polymerization करेंगे. So the polymerization then goes to the formation of what? The types of the n number of here CH2 here CH. Again here this is nothing but what a benzene nucleus, this aromatic nucleus, and this one what a CH. These types of the reactant molecule in the formation of the product molecule is nothing but what I can say this n number. Again this polymerization is takes place in the formation of what? This CH to CH. Again this is nothing but what? This is going to the formation of the n number of this is the pH is here. This formation of the what? Polystyrene. Here formation of the polystyrene. Styrene से polystyrene formation हुआ. These types of the reactant molecule as you can say this is the pH. In short form इसको हम pH कहते हैं. Starting reactant कौन था यहाँ पे हमारा styrene था. So styrene is undergoes the polymerization, undergoes the styrene undergoes the polymerization, formation adduct types of the product here, and last formation of product is nothing but what this adduct after polymerization again or in continuation step formation of styrene to what polystyrene. So this is one of the example of this addition polymerization. So the next example we are discussing the fifth number example, that is what you can say this CH-OH hydroxy could be there, CH2 double bond CH, as you can say another types of the group is nothing but CH3. So this is that polypropene. As you say the polypropene, this reactant, this is the propene molecule. The starting reactant molecule is nothing but the propene. So propylene, as you can say the propene or propylene, यहाँ पे हम इसको propene कहेंगे. So this is the propene reactant molecule or propylene reactant molecule which are undergoes the polymerization. यहाँ पे polymerization करेंगे. So these types of the product is formation of this is nothing but this is the n number of this CH to single bond CH. यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा this CH3 as a group. Then whatever again the polymerization is continuously the step is continuously takes place. Then formation of what? This is CH to single bond CH. यहाँ पे आएगा CH3 group and this is nothing but CH. Again the step is continuously takes place and here formation of here CH3. So that is the name. This is the polymerization product is formed. Propene to what? Polypropene. Propene to what? Polypropene. Propene से polypropene formation हुआ. These types of the again what addition polymerization. Example of what addition polymerization. So here next in continuation of the part is polymerization. This reaction of the polymerization, addition polymerization. Here the next example, this are going to the static reactant molecule. This is what Teflon. So formation of the Teflon molecule or these types of the polymerization. If we are having this carbon double bond is here, and this what of fluorine atom. This one is fluorine. So what is the name of the starting reactant molecule? This is example number I think 6th of the polymerization, addition polymerization. 1, 1, 2, 2. This is nothing but what tetrafluoro. As you can see the 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrafluoroethene. 1, 1, 2, 2. This is the tetrafluoroethene molecule. This is the what polymerization. The polymerization of such types of the reactant molecule what इसका हम polymerization करेंगे तो product formation होगा हमारा this carbon. Again we are going to the formation of this is the number of the polymerization here. N space you can say this is the N, and this the last product is formation C. Again what C single bond C. यहाँ पे फ्लोरीन एटम आएंगे हमारे. दिस इज नथिंग बट हाउ मेनी फ्लोरीन? 1 फ्लोरीन, 2 फ्लोरीन, 3 फ्लोरीन, 4 फ्लोरीन. अगेन these types of the species reactant molecule, this formation of the product is nothing but what as you can say this is what n number. This is nothing but what name of the product is what Teflon. Here formation of the Teflon, as you can say starting molecule, this is ethene to polyethene, propene to polypropene, vinyl cyanide to vinyl, this is the vinyl cyanide to polyvinyl cyanide, as you can see the Arlan, vinyl chloride to vinyl polyvinyl chloride, this is a polyvinyl chloride PVC pipe. So again here the styrene to polystyrene, propylene to polypropylene, and this last this is the 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrafluoroethene to what Teflon. These types of the product formation of the Teflon. This is nothing but what addition, example of what addition polymerization. This is nothing but what Teflon. So this is the example of addition polymerization. तो यहाँ पे हमने classification, introduction as well as classification उसमें